Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit and
Marty.
Alright, and today we have another Misfit Market unboxing for you. So it's been sitting out all day.
Room roll.
And because we were on our anniversary last week, I didn't think to go on the site and choose what we wanted. So this time we are at the mercy of whatever they sent us. Okay? So the box surprisingly looks as good as it's ever looked, which is not saying much from,
Nobody sat
our
on
favorite carrier service. But nobody sat on it, nobody played kickball with it. It was all taped together, and it's just a little crinkly on the sides, but at least it's intact. This is the best it's looked in the last 5 boxes. So we have our handy dandy ice packs, which again are safe. If they burst open in your box, it's okay. Just give them a salt water bath for 15 minutes. It is just sucralose and water, so it's biodegradable and it won't harm the vegetables if it happens to burst. That was 2 this time, which is good because it's been sitting all day. All right, so first thing I can see is we have 2 bunches of organic red kale, which means I get to make kale chips with Vortex Plus dehydrator we just got. So we did an unboxing of that while we were on our anniversary, and it will be the video to post next Wednesday, so you can check. So we'll try it out in the air fryer. We have cucumber, 2 cucumbers. Whoa. And we have a busted red pepper, bell pepper. So we have 1. We have a broken bell pepper, which would have been 2. We have another split bell pepper, which will be 3, so you know what's about to get chopped up and put in the freezer. And we have a wrinkly bell peppers 4. So 4 bell peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
graduates of Sesame Street here.
5, 6. 6 red apples. I don't think they're Gala. There's no sticker on them, so I can't tell. All right, and 1, 2 mangoes. They're mangoes, but here are 2 of a different variety of mangoes, and these are really soft. I still have mangoes packed from the anniversary trip.
Uh-oh.
Side note, these mangoes are really, really good. So we have 3, 4 mangoes. This we have not gotten in a long time. Well, wait a minute. Yes, this we have not gotten in a long time. It looks very much like ginger. But the last time we got one of these, they were sunchokes. So Jerusalem artichokes. These don't smell like ginger, so maybe more Jerusalem artichokes, which are amazingly delicious. So we got 2 of those. Jicama. We have a jicama. This is very good. We like to shred it and put it on top of our salad. We haven't done anything else with it because we really like it that way. So maybe we'll try. This is a spaghetti squash.
Yay.
So we like those. By the way, you can put the whole spaghetti squash inside of your air fryer for 40 minutes. Bam. Yummy. All right, we have lots of stuff wrapped up down here. I'm not sure what these are. There might be beets, but I don't think so. There's some kind of ground vegetable. I don't know. We'll cut it open and figure it out, I guess. Or if you're watching Frumpy, what are those? By the way, from Diva to Frumpy. She has an excellent YouTube channel. She talks about her journey with the purple system and Weight Watchers, and she gives lots of good recipes. And she tells me what the vegetables are that I don't recognize because I'm not a big vegetable buff. So shout out Frumpy, hey. What are these? I don't know what these are. I don't know. Oh, here's a teeny tiny one. I don't know. Doesn't smell like a beet, so I don't know. This is what happens when you let them singe you. You get whatever you get. This is a butternut squash. Look how tiny he is. And then we have.
Hello.
Huh?
How are you doing today?
We have a bunch of wet paper that stuff was wrapped in. So we have 1, 2, 3 tiny miniature little onions. Usually the onions have been like this. So I'm surprised to see those little big things. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sweet potatoes, very tiny. I miss our garden. Our garden grew potatoes like roast size. They were awesome. That's it. I don't know. I'm kind of a little disappointed.
It's all gone.
It's mostly fruit. And this time we have a card inside. And the card is for a cucumber celery slushie. Now y'all know we don't do celery. So we will not be trying this recipe. 2 cups of cucumbers, 3 stalks of celery, mint leaves, lime juice, honey, kosher salt, coconut water, ice, gin or vodka, optional. And so anyway, if you can't screenshot this from the screen, and if you want the directions on the back, let me know, and I will be glad to email it to you, because if you want it. We are not going to try this, so we will not be able to report back to you what this tastes like. We might try it minus the celery, but I don't see it'll just be cucumber, so we probably aren't going to try it.
No
But
celery,
if you want
no
to try
booze,
it,
whatever's left after.
yeah, no booze. So if you want to try this recipe, let me know, and I will be glad to email it to you. You can send me a private message at the email address listed below down in the description bar. So that being said, this is the Madness box from the Misfit Markets. It runs about $35, and they have a smaller box, which I can't think of the name of. I think it's the Mischief box. And it runs like $25-ish, I think. But I will put a link down below in the description bar that will have a code in it. And if you would like to try Misfit Markets, I would ask you please use that code. I don't make any big money from it, but I do get some referral points. And we both get a little something on the end. I don't know. You get something, I get something, or whatever. But it's nothing huge. But I would appreciate it if you would like to try it, to use the code, and that way we can help each other. With that being said, we have nothing further.
Nope.
You have been awfully quiet today.
What, you didn't appreciate my using the vegetable as a puppet?
I did.
Okay.
Shout out to Tia, who said that I should give Marty a tomato or something. In her live. She has a great YouTube channel. Also,
I took a bite out of this.
She does. I would like to see you do it. If that's a ginger, you'll regret that decision.
Yep, it's ginger. Ooh. Ooh, yes.
There you are, Tia. He got to eat something unwashed and regrets it. All right, because it's ginger. Well, now we know it's ginger.
It is. Trust me, it is.
So I will be making maybe I'll make a ginger and cucumber slushie, and I'll create my own recipe, and I'll share that with you. So if you'd like to see that recipe, let us know down in the comments, and we'll create something and share it with you. All right, your mouth burning?
I'm better now.
All All right, so there you go, Tia. Marty got to taste something. I did not deny him that privilege. Tia has a good channel that does diamond painting over on her channel. All right, so shout out to everybody. Thank you for the love and support and the comments and the messages, and for sharing my channel on your YouTube channels and in your lives and things like that. It's very much appreciated. We appreciate it. I am thankful that Marty is willing to always help and join in with these videos, and I hope that he enjoys the experience as much as I do of doing YouTube videos. All right, so with that being said, got anything else you want to say?
No, that's all.
Okay. All right, so we are going to bid you a very good night and hope that you have a great week and be safe, whatever that means for you. Most of the world is going back to required masks, but whatever it is that you do, at least be safe to protect not only yourself from others, but protect others from you, okay? All right, so we're going to say good night, and with that being said, hon, remember, if you are having a good day,
Help someone else have a good day
it's the small and simple things
that make life worth living.
love and shimmies, babe. Shimmy. Y'all have a good night. Bye.
Good night.